careful, you'll be easily dragged by the waves into the ocean. The water also rises and falls easily, so if you're not a good swimmer, you may find it difficult to stay afloat. There have been approximately 30 fatalities in this pool. Before we move on, like this video, smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell right now. Number 14. Hotel Hubertus Holiday Resort. Hotel Hubertus is a holiday resort located in Italy. The entire hotel is an architectural wonder. The hotel features 6 heated indoor pools, 7 saunas, and dozens of relaxation facilities that everyone could enjoy. But let's get to the reason why we included them in this video. Hotel Hubertus is known for their indoor pool that features a panoramic view of the Dolomite Peaks. The pool is about 82 feet long, and it's suspended 39 feet off the ground. That's not all. The architects of this building really outdid themselves because they made it seem as if the entire pool is only supported by long, large tree trunks. The pool is surrounded by plants to complete the infinite illusion of the pool. If you're not content with the beautiful view, the pool also features a raised window in the bottom section of the pool where you can wait for the hotel guests down below if you wish. But if you're afraid of heights, I really wouldn't recommend doing so. Number 13. Marina Bay Sands Hotel Infinity Pool in Singapore. From afar, the whole pool of the Marina Bay Sands Hotel looks like a floating spaceship or a floating boat. The Marina Bay Sands Infinity Pool has been open since 2010, and people all around the world recognize it easily as one of the most beautiful pools. But if you're afraid of heights, you may want to pass on this one. The Marina Bay Sands is not only the world's highest rooftop infinity pool, it is also the largest. The view of the pool is astounding. The height isn't going to be apart, as this pool is 57 stories high, which means it's located more than 2,000 feet up. This gravity-defying establishment is about 1.2 hectares, so if the pool fails to impress you, or if you're simply terrified by the thought of swimming in a suspended pool, then you have the option to check out the lush gardens, observation deck, and top-notch restaurants of the establishment. Number 12. Deep Dive Dubai. Dubai is the home of the world's tallest skyscraper, as well as the largest mall in the world. But many avid divers and swimmers know the real highlight of Dubai is none other than Deep Dive. As its name suggests, Deep Dive is the deepest dive pool on the entire planet. This place is no joke. Usually, this is a paradise for pro divers who love the idea of the indoor pool. But beginners and fun divers are welcome as well. The indoor pool is located inside a 1,500 square meter oyster structure. The depth of this pool is a staggering 196 feet. It's filled with 14 million liters of fresh water, and it has the volume of 6 Olympic-sized swimming pools. The cost of its construction already cost millions, but the maintenance can also be pretty costly. To maintain the controlled environment of the pool, the water is always maintained at the perfect temperature of 30 degrees Celsius, just enough for a diver to swim and explore comfortably. If you're thinking that the depth and sheer size of this pool is its only feature, you're completely wrong. You can find some pretty interesting attractions in this pool. Just like underwater diving spots, the Deep Dive also has sunken cities, abandoned streetscape, game arcade, 2 underwater habitats, and an apartment that you can explore. How cool is that? What's more is that you'll never feel worried anytime while you're diving, because there are 56 underwater cameras to monitor everything. The place is also completely decked with advanced sound and mood lighting systems. And if you're not really a fan of diving in a 190-foot water pool, you can dine in any of the restaurants in the establishment and spectate the divers from the large viewing areas. Number 11. Hanging Gardens of Bali. Bali is the home of many beautiful beach and pool resorts. One of the most commended ones is the Hanging Gardens of Bali. Depending on you, this can either be your dream with a pool that'll give you nightmares. The Hanging Gardens of Bali is located near Payakumbuh, a town village north of Ubud in Bali, Indonesia.